ebyombe au byachiramo na kubeka emerobero yo gochia gukora umuchando n'ubututukanu bw'abantu kwerusia obomoyo korengana na Hesbon Moronya inseye kyongwa ngogenderete kwenekiwa imeye county ya Kisii okwane nego koirera abantu abanke kwerusia obugimani goba ayakwana chinga kibagumirana ase omubugani oyomo imeyo muchobosongo unatokumanywa no muri Keito Brighton Makori.
Imeroberio ni gegenderete kubekwa erigo konya omonto wethenenera asegasi yaye ya kiraritugo bono ni gekiombe kia United States Agency for International Development USAID bono kianyare keweso kia guchigo konya abamenyi ase county ya Kisii. Baukwana abakorawa no munyakerobo bwe body eyo Dr. Johnny Nyambega nigo banatebiruna nigo baenekiribuna nigo bagochiko ja kyumuroberi.
We had a special occasion. We met our representatives from the wards. All the 45 wards of the county sent their representatives here. We have shown them what we have done. They have seen our strategic plan for the next 5 years. We have reviewed particular issues that we want to address: gender mainstreaming, inclusivity, aspects of youth, development, and
other donor support organizations, and request their support to fund development activities in Kisii County.
Boigo nigateru natali byombe byo kabira chikwena chibese kulende bachikoli yenjera baranyore chibese cyo konya okwegereri kwebyombe ebyo.
What we typically call, calls to civil society organizations to seek financial support for development activities that they themselves